What's up, y'all? It's Kayla and I'm back again with another video. I am doing, as you can see by the title, my at-home skincare routine, facial type, mini facial. And I just want to say that I am not promoting any of my products in this video because what may work for me may not work for you. So I'm just showing you guys the steps and procedures that I take to get lusciously clear skin. Keep watching if you want to see what I have to show you guys. Alright, so first I'm going to be cleaning my face with the Noxzema Classic Clean Cleanser. Like I said, what may work for me may not work for you. I know a lot of people say that they don't like Noxzema because it's too harsh on their skin, but I love it personally. I don't use it every day because I do think that if I did, it would be a little too harsh on your skin. But I just think that when it comes to using products, you should use it according to how it works for you. Obviously, I like it. It's almost gone. But, yeah. Then again, for me, on an everyday basis, I don't use cleanser. Like, you really just wash my face with water and then use natural products like apple cider vinegar and coconut oil and stuff. But yeah, that's just me. Like, I don't invest my money in all of that Neutrogena, all that. That stuff is for the birds. They just want your coins. They just want your coins, girl. But let's just start. Alright, so you're first gonna I like to pick my eyelashes gently to make sure all the excess eyelashes that want to fall out, let them come out, and wet my face up with some warm water, lukewarm water. Now, of course, you don't want to get this stuff in your eyes, so make sure the water not running, okay? But you just want to massage this in your face. Just massage it in. And I'm sorry for the background noise. I have a lot of people here, like always, but you know, if you hear that, then that's what that is. Never can have any peace and quiet, and if I do, then I'm enjoying my peace and quiet by myself or with my boyfriend. But anyways, anywho, yeah, just gonna massage it in, and especially massage it into the affected areas. My main areas on my face that really need attention is my forehead, because y'all see these little dots. Y'all gonna see when I rinse off, but yeah, like that junk be irritating me. Anyways, okay, they're loud. Let me rinse. So now that I have cleansed my face and got all the dirt off the top, I have some water boiling on my stove in a pot, and I'm gonna pour it in a bowl and let all the steam hit my face. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do that. Alright, so now that I have my pot, I am going to hold my face over the steam for about 5 minutes. It doesn't have to be that long. We just want to open up our pores. Make sure you're rotating your face so you can get all the sides. Alright guys, so now that my pores are all open and nice, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of my nose strips. I feel like, well, I'm not gonna say all nose strips are the same, but I like nose strips that are dermatologist recommended because I feel like they work better. And these are definitely dermatologist recommended. If you want to know what kind they are, here it is. But like I said, I'm not promoting brands or anything. So, yeah. So, just go ahead and follow the instructions on your nose strips, and yeah. Alright, so when you're applying your nose strip, you want to make sure you press down all your bubbles so that it can get up all of your blackheads that are up underneath the nose strip. And you're gonna let it dry for like 15 to 20 minutes. Mine says 10 to 15, but 10 minutes is definitely not long enough. But just wait till it's all hard and dry.
Oh yeah, that did it.
Oh yeah. Ridiculous. But yeah, so now I'm going to use my toner. Oh gosh, guys, hold on. Alright, so my toner is my apple cider vinegar. This stuff is good for a lot. Like, y'all, let me just read off to y'all what people use this stuff for. People use it for weight loss. They use it for their skin, salad dressings. I'm trying to see, like, used to have their natural uses on here. But yeah, that's just a few of like things that people do use this for. Ew, it says it's tasty if you sprinkle over your popcorn. Anyways, whatever. I usually take some cotton balls, but my cotton balls ran out and they're not in here. So it's okay if you use like a little piece of tissue. It gets the job done. And just put some on here. Forewarning, it really stinks. It really does. But you're just gonna put on the infected areas. This also helps take away dark spots as well. Rub your nose with it. And I'm gonna take another piece of tissue and do it all over my face. Y'all don't be like me. Put it in a spray bottle or something. But anyways, yeah. Sometimes if your face is like really infected, it may sting, but ooh, keep your mouth closed, y'all. Oh yeah, it's stinging like around here because I guess because we just did a little nose peel thing. But yeah, like I said, I use this as my toner. And last but not least, I am going to use my moisturizer to moisturize my face. And I like to use, gosh, this stuff is strong, guys. I like to use coconut oil as a moisturizer, but I don't have it anymore. So I'm gonna use a cleanser by Clean and Clear. It's the dual action. This is good. I've been using it for years, guys. That's not a lot. I was about to say it's probably a lot, but no. I'm just gonna massage it in your face. And yeah, it's just that simple. Like, I'm honestly over spending money on like all these exfoliators and stuff and all this crap that honestly just breaks me out even more. And natural products help. I feel like the products that like are being promoted on television and stuff and what they want you to buy on social media, your face has to get used to that, and your face has to get used to it in like a week. So you're going to break out from that unless you just have magnificent skin and your face doesn't break out. But my skin, I like that. So yeah, show y'all my face. It's all glowy, and I'm satisfied with my results. It's soft. Thanks for watching.